Alok, you represent one of the largest private equity firms in the world here in India. If you get a business plan which is coming to you from a set of students, and you know that it is coming from the students, what are the chances that that plan will be opened and gone through just like in any other situation?
No, we look at plans from students all the time, and we treat them with the same level of seriousness that we would if the plan was coming from another team. So that's an important source of new ideas for us.
It has been observed that unlike in US, like where a lot of business plans and real ventures come out from colleges, the experience has not been the same in India, in Indian campuses. Where do you think is the gap?
I think the basic gap is in the market connect. Students when they are doing their graduate or postgraduate programs in the US have a great degree of connectivity with the market. They might have already worked with someone before. We think that in the Indian universities sometimes that connect with the market is missing. So students don't necessarily understand what real customers are facing as real problems.
So what would you recommend can change the situation, considering that the opportunities in the market are increasing day by day? How do you think students can really fill this gap?
I think the thing to do is to, when you're studying, to also take care and see if you can get some direct market experience. It could be through an internship that you're doing. It could be just out of interest to go out and talk to customers and what their pain points are. There has to be a proactive effort to go out and understand real problems, real gaps in the market.
Great. One personal question, Alok. Do you get time to read books?
Yeah, I read a lot of books, a lot of non-fiction business reading.
So if you had to recommend one or two books to the students, what would be your favorite?
So my last couple of reads, one is the Blue Ocean Strategy, which talks about how to build businesses in relatively less competitive spaces and how to identify such spaces. And the one that I'm reading right now is called Globalization and Its Contents, which talks about what has gone wrong with the globalization initiatives in the last 20 years and what needs to be done to fix them. It's written by a Nobel laureate economist.
Well, thank you very much, Alok, to be here at the Jump Cafe.
Thanks, Prashant.